welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to making slime. Today we have two special guests. We have Tiki and Ao, which is my cousin. Hey guys, what's up? So we're gonna make these into slime. First, you gotta make it with glue, everything. Let's get right started. Okay, let's do it. Okay, my turn. Alright guys, I made this water paint edit. Sparkly, like, and slimy. And let's get into it. Let's get it up. So, Kino is going to be helping us, the cameraman. He's behind the camera. One, two, cat five, 100. One. That's 100 meters. 100. It's gonna be 1,000 miles. No, it's not. That's meters. It's so hard. Need help? No. I got it. I'll just get it all the way up to the top. 1,000 miles? Yeah. 20 miles? Yes. No, it doesn't say 20 miles. It just says 20. So, I got it all the way to
Alright guys.
No. I need to close it because that's gonna be hard to get squeeze. Hard.
1 hour later.
1 hour later.
Hour later.
Alright.
Let me see. Wait, stop. Let me see. Keep on going. I'm gonna look at the minus. Okay. Look at the lizards. Get tiny lizards.
Gotta be
Minus glue. We're taking turns pouring the glue.
Pour that in there.
I'm kind of scared now.
Good job.
There's some stairs in.
That's the stove. I used the red one.
There's no red one.
I used the purple one.
There's no purple one.
I used the orange one.
There's no orange.
I used the yellow one.
Okay, there's yellow, but you only need one there. If you do two at a time, then someone's gonna spill it.
I'm gonna do pink now.
I'm going to mix it.
Hey, wait. I was doing it right here.
It's kind of... It really feels like glue. Guys, this is going to be very entertaining.
That's gonna be very
Very entertaining. It's going to be very... You can pick up anything. Okay. Give them a close look at the slime. Close look at.
Look at, better get shiny.
Can I just keep on stirring? Yeah.
Wait. Like slime. That's it. That's it. Have a pink one. Have a white one.
So, pour tea. There. So, we need like two. I'm gonna pour. Until it's not watery anymore. We keep on stirring. Not watery? Yeah, it can't be watery.
So it's not gonna be slimy.
Yeah. More slimy, not more watery. Cool racks.
If I make my slime watery, it's gonna be watery. God.
It's gonna be all over the place.
And then don't
No movements. You're going to. Okay. Just a little. And you get the little. Cannot be allowed. So me and Tika have the same amount of.
No, look. I have little. I have medium, and you have
Big. We do maxes later. We clean later. Guys. This one. Guys, I almost forgot. You need to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. And guys, I want you to comment below slime. Comment below slime. Wait, I want to get it. That's it. Don't put too much. Because if you put too much, it's going to be way too dark. How did you even get that open?
You gotta you gotta turn it.
I am.
Need help?
And I'm going to pour a little bit.
Mommy! Can't. Mommy's up.
Oh, it's blue. No, but no more. No more.
I'm not gonna put someone sign that's it.
Here.
Okay, that's it.
Drop.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, that's it. Pink.
Hey, you want me to help you?
A couple of drops.
Oh, why it's got bubbles? I can't move
Is that enough?
You want some more? Can you want blue? No, blue.
Is that good enough? Is that good enough?
No. Blue and yellow.
It kind of looks like a Barbie sign, but that's not how you actually smell Barbie.
It doesn't smell anything.
That good enough? Colored in. But no more because mine is everywhere. I'm just making some.
That's Barbie. That.
One drop. Ooh! No
Hey,
more. No
no.
more. This is why you don't know. So
Hey, just a little baby.
so we mix.
Ooh.
I love you. Get some more. Oh, get the big.
No, no, don't get the big spoon. If you get the big spoon, I'll be super tiny.
Not tiny.
Wait.
Ouch. Things are hard. I don't even know how to open a wrapper. I'm gonna put this right back in.
Oh, that's a little.
Stir it. Stir. I think I'm gonna. Ooh, it looks. One
What the
drop
heck?
of borax. Borax?
And get stirred.
Wait. Oh my god, acting here. Oh my god, acting here.
What's the thing in here?
Oh, look at that. I have bubblegum pink. Guys, look at my bubblegum. Bubblegum. Oh my god. Hey, I got some bubblegum. I'm gonna call this bubblegum slime. So good. Hey, yeah, you mix colors. That actually looks kind of nice.
I put mine in there.
Look at Ann. Look what Ann did. It looks so nice. It looks like food, kind of. That looks so nice. She's like, ugh. Oh my gosh, mine's just kind of getting sticky.
I'll put
Yeah. Move.
I'll put pink in there and that's it.
Dig, I don't think you should put pink. It's probably gonna make a nasty color. You don't want a nasty color.
I don't want a nasty color.
I should say don't go with the risk for pink. No.
But I'm gonna do it.
You should have called that. I'm gonna have bubblegum slime. Okay, my slime is getting sticky, so I need a napkin. I need a napkin. Guys, oh my god, I need this napkin. Oh my gosh. There's a napkin over there. I need a napkin.
That's my napkin.
That's everyone's napkin. Let's just stir it up. Look at Ayo's. Kind of looks like baby food.
Ah, it's green. It turned green.
Where's the green? I don't see it.
Right here. See the green?
I know, it's turning dark green. Ooh, bubble gum. Ooh, my slime is mixing. It's mixing good. Sticking to my thing.
It's not sticking to mine.
So, if yours does not stick, then get a little bit more borax. I probably did not pour enough. I'll call this my bubblegum slime. It's sticky. What are you gonna call it?
Maniac.
Maniac slime?
Yeah, maniac.
We should call Ayo's baby food.
No,
Baby food.
no, I'm gonna call it poop.
Oh, not brown.
Slime is really cool.
Oh my god! It turned sticky! Oh my god. No, it's sticking. Oh my god. It's still
Mine is
there.
sticky.
Don't touch it. Oh, you can touch it? Oh my god. We're gonna have to wash hands after this, guys. Oh my gosh. So my bubble gum is here.
My robot is here.
Yeah. That does not feel good. Look at the mess we're making. Okay, well, look at this. I'm just gonna keep on stirring so I can. I kind of want to touch it. Look at that. It's bubblegum. Bubblegum. Baby throw up. Oh shoot. The slime is kind of sticky. It looks like a pink tongue. No touch. You messed up my slime.
Now it's gonna turn green.
If I had more pink things, it didn't mess up. No touching into the slime unless I want to mix. Bubblegum. I would rather eat it.
That's more this.
Hey, look at that baby food. I call it baby food.
I'm gonna call it green. I'm gonna call it green poop.
It's not green poop. It doesn't. Oh, it looks like diarrhea. Oh my god, look at my thing. I can't even mix no more.
What's that thing?
I think. Okay, my thing is not. Oh, the pinkness is not coming into my hand anymore. I think I mixed it good. Yeah, pink is not coming to my slime. Hey guys. It ripped. My slime ripped. I ripped it a little bit. So mine is called bubblegum slime.
I call it doo-doo soup. My slime is named
Hey, look at my hand. Listen. I got bubblegum sticks to my hand. Let me get that. I think my slime is ready.
my slime.
My slime is ready. It's what the something? Okay, we need more because my whole thing needs to start to come together. Ayo's slime is done. It's done. The whole thing.
Look at mine. Mine is done. Yes, it is.
Oh,
I'm gonna put it right here. My slime is really good.
oh my God! This is the only one I have. I'm gonna eat it. It kind of looks like.
Okay, can I put some this in it?
Yeah, if you want. Wait, you can put blue in there to make it extra blue.
Okay.
Yeah, like a pink. I'm gonna do yellow. Yellow is kind of nice. Looks nice. I'm gonna do green and purple. Ew! Bubble gum on me. I need some bubble gum. We're all using the same magnet. Look at this.
Scissors. Scissors.
Guys, there's other choices right here you can put in your slime. But not here. I'm gonna put these on. Oh my god, I'm not even done yet. I think I need a little bit more.
Oh!
I think I need a little bit more.
Can I get it over, Mom?
Can you guys give me a little bit more because I don't have a OS. I need to mix more.
Here. I want some more. Ooh.
Look at A's now. Look at that pinky.
I want to take this. No, what?
I need more because like I need to get that stuff. And it needs more time to dry. I think I need a little bit more. I started hard enough. Everyone started hard enough. Okay, there we go. Started a little bit. My whole thing is coming. Oh my god, my whole thing came. Just need to store a little bit more. Whoa, my whole thing came. It just needs, our slimes need to dry. They need to dry, they're still wet.
Really?
I can't even stir no more. I can't even stir. His whole slimes came. Oh my god, my whole thing came. Okay, let's start adding some.
So,
I'm just gonna yeet. That's yeet. So I'm gonna try some yellow. Take that to my slime. Fat slime. So fat, man. Why are you so fat, man? Why are you so fat, man?
oh, yellow.
I'm just gonna pour a little bit. Wait, where did you drop? Where did you? Oh, right there.
I'm gonna put this in my slime. I just have a little slime.
It looks kind of nice if you put a little bit. I'm not gonna literally put a lot.
What?
You guys are gonna mix your slime together. Oh, looks so nice. It looks like I have pearls in my name. I'm so happy that we made slime.
Okay.
So guys, look at our slimes. Give it a close look at it. I called this unicorn. I called this like bubblegum slime.
I called this poop slime. I got prison slime. I called this doodle slime. I got. You like my doodle slime? You like my doodle slime?
Yeah, I can see it. Alright.
That's my doodle slime.
Oh, this kind of feels so good.
Can I show it to it?
No, you're gonna mix mine. No. Still no. Stop! It's not funny. So guys, we're going to next video we are going to make more. Yes, too. So bye guys.